Welcome to Fireside Friday. This is something a little different. You won't see me on camera tonight, just the fire, the stillness, and my voice. I created this series because sometimes we need a place to rest that isn't full of noise or performance, a place that doesn't ask anything of us. That's what this fire is. Each week, I'll share a quiet reflection, just a few words to settle your heart before the weekend. No fast cuts, no noise, no pressure to keep up, just warmth, rhythm, and the invitation to stop and breathe. Thank you for meeting me here. The silent power of women. She did not ask for applause. She did not need her name carved into stone. She simply rose and made the world turn. History loves a loud man, a conqueror, a crown, a declaration. But what of the woman who grew the food, who bore the children, who buried them? What of the woman who swept the hearth each morning and laid the table like it was holy work? She is not in your textbooks, but she is in every home, every quilt, every scar, every softened edge of this country. She is the true maker of America. In the colonial days, she churned, she stitched, she taught the children their letters by firelight. She knew the weather by the wind on her cheek. She knew hunger and healing herbs and grief. And when war came, she stayed. She buried the men. She planted again. She endured. No ballot, no bank account, but a will like iron and hands that built empires out of nothing. Her power was never silent. It was just overlooked. She didn't need to shout. She lit candles. She kept things warm. And isn't that power? To feed the hungry, to clean the wounds, to braid a little girl's hair while the storm rolled in. We've mistaken silence for weakness, but quiet is not the same as powerless. And today, she's still here. You are her, still raising generations, still decorating rooms to make others feel loved, still holding space, still absorbing the pain that no one sees, still turning houses into homes and empty rooms into sanctuaries, and yes, still invisible to the world in many ways, but not here, not to me. Here, we see you. Some think decorating is shallow, but they don't see how you choose that hooked rug because it reminds you of your grandmother. They don't see how you arrange the table, not for show, but because it makes your family pause, sit, and maybe talk to each other for once. They don't understand that when you choose an old wooden bowl over a plastic one, you're choosing memory, meaning, soul. The woman who decorates her hearth is the woman who knows how to tend her soul. She doesn't need approval. She just needs a moment, a candle, a chair by the fire, a room that reminds her who she really is. Maybe that's why you're here, why this channel calls to you, because you know instinctively that beauty is not fluff. It's a way back to yourself. We see you, the woman watching this, the one who has held it all together with one hand and stirred the stew with the other. You are powerful, whether you are alone or surrounded by 10, whether you are young or old, whether your home is big or small. You have shaped more lives than you'll ever know. You have kept the fire going. So sit by the hearth, light the candle, let your hands rest. You've earned that stillness. And know, truly know, you are not forgotten. You are not invisible. You are the heartbeat of history. And everything beautiful, has come from your hands.